How to link TikTok music to Spotify directly from TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Further, navigate to the post from where you want to link the music, and once you have opened the post, tap on the music icon on the bottom right of your screen. Here you will then be able to see the option for Add to Spotify along with the song details. So tap on the Add to Spotify option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the song has been added to your Spotify liked songs. So go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and then tap on the Your Library option at the bottom. Further, tap on the liked songs option you see there, and in here, as you can see, the song that you just liked and added to Spotify has been added in here. So this was about how you can link TikTok songs directly from TikTok to Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.